Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are here to make GD on the topic is love is precious or poisonous. The opinion on love to everyone will be in a different way, but I personally feel that love is precious because it is the only feeling that people felt that only by heart but not by words, and no one can say that I don't believe in love because everyone in every stage of his life experienced love in various ways, like in childhood, experienced in like parents love, and in young age friends, siblings, we got affection and all these things, and
according to my point of view, love is very precious because there is no relationship without love. If the relationship is strong, there should be love. And so nowadays, due to the misuse of love, it became poisonous. There is no words to say the feeling of love. Love is infinite. And if the person should gain something or lose something, there should be a love. Without love, we can't do anything. And it is better to say that there is no life without love.
According to me, love is a feeling which is generated inside a heart. It's generated on a person when they see him or when you talk to him. But everyone is in a disbelief that love is a feeling which is formed between a boy and a girl. Whereas the love can be formed between any person or any person, like mother's love or love on a pet, and so on. According to me, love is very precious because we can't have a love on every person that we meet, and every person whom we see in our life, or whom do we talk. Love is a special feeling. Whereas when it comes to poisonous, I don't believe that love is not that poisonous because every person is not, the youth is not spoiling the actual meaning of their love, like by flirting the others. That's the reason. That's right.
I agree with you, Deepak. Love is always precious. I want to quote this with one example. If I love a girl, it is not a responsible to love me in return. We should not expect that from her. It is all depends upon individual thinking.
According to my point of view, love is a precious, and there is no expressions from the love, and only it is only giving the love. There is no expressions from the others. If we now love is becoming poisonous because if Indian people didn't know what is the meaning of love and attraction. That's why they are falling. They loving only the beauty of the girl or boy, and thinking of that only they fall in love and doing suicides if they are not accept their love or attraction. They committed suicides.
Rashwandi said rightly. And Deepak, you said no feeling. Not only feeling will be not a love. They maintain good relation, then only love will be created. In my point of view.
Yeah, Sunil, you said right.
But couple also good relationship is been after, then only true love will be active. Yes.
Yeah, love is also like a deep ocean. It is full of with love. We love love. Love is love is everyone's life. We love everyone, but love is not a relationship between female and male. It is the relation of two souls, which is made by the God. It is the gift of the God. Everyone was loving someone for some time pass or so on. And if we love or propose anyone, any girl, if she not accept, we go into some bad habits. like that every teenager is spoiling their life.
What is that is right, Ashwin, but according to point of view also, love is deviating. What is do you know about the attraction and the feelings of the love, and do you know what is the meaning of the love? They are getting married and taking divorce because of their misunderstandings, etc.
Then it was being attraction, not a.
Yes, that's what I am talking.
Actually, the people are confused between the love and attraction these days. That is the reason many of are falling in false relationships. That is the reason love is that poisonous.
Yes, guys. Okay, now what we discussed is right. But what I conclude is the best point is Deepak said is that the love is not only depends upon two male and female, it depends upon both mother's love, or we can state it as different kinds of loves. And Ashwin states that love is not blind, it's good together. And finally what I want to state is love is precious more than poisonous.
Love is not bringing us someone with us. It is making others happiness. Love is a feeling which we cannot expect return. It is the most valuable and precious word in the world.
True love is more precious. It is become poisonous because of fake love. Finally, I would like to conclude that love is precious if it is taken in a good way, and it depends on the person who treats them.
Quietly depend on our way of
Actually, in love, people will care for the relationship, and the people are caring for one another. Love is, I think so. Love is more precious because if we value others' feelings, they will definitely value yours, which means that we indirectly valuing our feelings. Love. And from this discussion, we could know that we could get to a conclusion that love is very precious, but love is precious by having good relationships, and which can be shown by people, which is true. Where I compared to love can be poisonous if we are flirting, or the exact approach is not right. The mindset of the persons is not that perfect. Thus we come.
So overall, the topic is good. You have much more scope to speak, but I hope that is not spoken well. Few of them are speaking just as it is a GD. I have to speak. I have to prove myself. That's the reason they have spoke, but you are not involved in the discussion. And conclusion is also not appropriate until Deepak has taken initiation. Like, is love precious or poisonous is the topic. You should come by the majority of them, but majority of them have not spoken whether it is a poison or precious, or it made him confused whether what kind of a conclusion he has to give. 411, you spoke well, but you have some mother tongue influence. Okay, your native language, that is Telugu, is dominating your English. So try to speak a lot in English so that you can minimize your influence. 412, you took the chance very lately and you spoke only once without any eye contact. You just spoke with someone, you are just seeing only with to a concerned person, but you are not maintaining eye contact with everyone. And 413, you also spoke only once, you have taken the chance only once. So, and I appreciate Satish, you have came with some examples, and I think you spoke only twice in the GD. And 415, I appreciate you because you have acknowledged some other points, stating Deepak's point and Ashwin's points. That is needed, but that is not only needed. Apart from acknowledgement, you should have other things to add it up. And 416, you are a good communicator. You have focused on the discussion. You took many chances. Overall, you are good, right? And 417, you have expressed your views very neatly, and you also take many chances to enter into this discussion. So I appreciate your work. And you initiated, you concluded. That's it. And in middle, we have many things. You can, initiation should be very great. Otherwise, don't initiate. But I appreciate that you have initiated, and at the end you spoke. That's it. In the middle, you have left it. So if I want to select from this team, I can select only Deepak from this team for the next round of G. Clear? So take all this feedbacks in your mind as the coming week we have a final GD competitions among the teams. Get ready for your challenges. Clear? Right. Thank you.